How to earn money with AI as a beginner. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of various industries, opening up numerous opportunities to earn money even for beginners. Here's a detailed guide on how you can start earning money with AI, highlighting the essential steps and strategies. 1. Freelance AI projects. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. What to do? Offer AI-related services such as data analysis, machine learning model building, and chatbot development. Steps: 1. Build a portfolio. Start by working on small projects or creating AI models and showcasing them on platforms like GitHub. 2. Create a profile. Sign up on freelance platforms, highlighting your skills and previous work. Earnings: beginners can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, with the potential to increase as you gain more experience and positive reviews. 2. Online courses and tutorials. Platforms: Udemy, Coursera, YouTube. What to do? Create and sell online courses or tutorials on AI topics. Steps: 1. Identify your niche. Focus on areas where you have the most expertise, such as Python programming for AI, machine learning basics, or neural networks. 2. Create content. Develop comprehensive courses with video lectures, quizzes, and practical assignments. 3. Promote your course. Use social media, blogs, and forums to reach your target audience. Earnings: course creators on platforms like Udemy can earn from $100 to several $1,000s per course, depending on the course's popularity and demand. 3. AI content creation. Platforms: Medium, Substack, personal blog. What to do? Write articles, blog posts, or ebooks on AI topics. Steps: 1. Choose topics. Write about trending AI topics, tutorials, or industry insights. 2. Monetize your content. Use affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or set up a subscription model. Earnings: writers can earn from $50 to $200 per article on Medium, with potential additional income from affiliate marketing and subscriptions. 4. Develop AI tools and applications. Steps: 1. Identify a problem. Find a common issue that can be solved with AI, such as image recognition, predictive analytics, or chatbots. 2. Develop the solution. Build the application or tool using AI technologies. 5. Participate in AI competitions. Platforms: Kaggle, driven data. What to do? Join AI and data science competitions to solve real-world problems and win cash prizes. Steps: sign up. Create an account on platforms like Kaggle. Choose competitions. Participate in competitions that match your skill level. 3. Collaborate. Work with other participants to improve your solutions. 6. AI consulting. What to do? Offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions. Steps: 1. Gain expertise. Build your knowledge in specific AI applications relevant to businesses, such as automation, predictive maintenance, or customer insights. 2. Create a business profile. Establish an online presence through a website or LinkedIn profile showcasing your expertise. Earnings: AI consultants can charge from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise and the complexity of the project. 7. Affiliate marketing with AI products. Platforms: Amazon Associates, ClickBank. What to do? Promote AI-related products and earn commissions on sales. 2. Create content. Write reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles to attract potential buyers. 3. Share affiliate links. Use your blog, YouTube channel, or social media to share affiliate links. Earnings: commissions can vary from 5% to 50% per sale, depending on the affiliate program. 8. YouTube channel on AI. What to do? Start a YouTube channel focused on AI tutorials, news, and reviews. 1. Plan your content. Create a content calendar with a mix of tutorials, industry news, and product reviews. 2. Produce videos. Use screen recording software, a good microphone, and editing tools to create high-quality videos. 3. Monetize. Enable ads, use affiliate links, and seek sponsorships. Earnings: successful YouTube channels can earn from $1 to $20 per 1,000 views, plus additional income from affiliate marketing and sponsorships.